Okay, I have the fuel valve leaking. So the first one, what you do, take off this piece. Hold on. Okay. From here. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. And this one is the too old. The rubber not soft, real hard. So what you do, put some grease, and this is the shutdown valve, the brake, and the other side, you have to put some grease, okay, and put it back. Put it back before, but this one doesn't have the bolt to tie it down, tie this piece down. So that's why sometimes leaking, the leak from the here, from the middle here, from the brake. See leaking, this one from here. See it from the tank like that, okay. And then the fuel on top. The fuel is on top here. So, okay. So you put grease and then clean it up. And you see the needle here, the needle. This piece, the needle. Put right here. Put right here. Put here. And then pass down. Okay? Pass down. So that's why this piece doesn't have any bolt to hold the hold piece plate down. So what you do, so use the screwdriver to bend this one up, this plate, this the metal one. Okay, bend four of them. Bend up a little bit. Like about how I can see, about this way, the screwdriver like that, bend up, because this piece when you tie it on and then hit the tank, and then they will like pass down. That's why no leak, because no screw to hold, right? So that's why this one is you have to do bend up a little bit for 4 of them, bend up, and then when you tie on the tank, and this one pass down, pass the this piece down. That's why, and then no leak. Okay, see. I put the new O-ring already. So this side is from here, see. Yep. This outside. Yep, this outside. Okay, and then the bowl, 3 bowls. See? Now tight a little bit, and then it feel tight already. And then you tie more. Tie more. And then you feel tighter. See? Good. See? Was very loose. So you tie more. Oh, good, good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, good. I don't think it's leak. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay. After that, put the strainer, and then put the cap. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching.